Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real-life problems in general mathematics, and learn how the subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real-life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our topic for today is about creating scatter plots and estimating the strength of variable associations. This is quarter 4, data and probability DP for grade 11, general mathematics. Again, this is quarter 4, data and probability, lesson Roman numeral number 11, creating scatter plots and estimating the strength of variable associations. The intended learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to A. Define what a scatter plot is and explain its purpose in analyzing relationships between two variables. B. Construct a scatter plot using given sets of data, either manually or with technology using Excel, calculators, or statistical software. Identify the type of relationship, positive, negative, or none, between two variables based on the scatter plot. Estimate the strength of association between variables using visual inspection and correlation concepts. Differentiate between weak, moderate, and strong correlations as represented in scatter plots. Interpret real-world data by analyzing scatter plots and make inferences about relationships between variables. What is a scatter plot? A scatter plot is a type of graph that displays pairs of numerical data as points on a coordinate plane. Each point represents the values of two variables, x, y. It is widely used in statistics to determine whether there is a possible relationship between variables. X-axis is the independent variable. the factor that might influence the other. Y-axis, independent variable, the outcome or response that changes with the independent variable. Purpose of scatter plots: to visualize relationships between two variables, to detect patterns such as linear or nonlinear trends, to assess whether an association exists and estimate its strength, to identify potential outliers or unusual data points. Types of relationships in scatter plots: positive correlation. As one variable increases, the other also increases. Points slope upward. Negative correlation. As one variable increases, the other decreases. Points slope downward. No correlation. No apparent trend. Points are scattered randomly. Strength of association. The strength of the association depends on how closely the points cluster around a line or curve. Strong correlation. Points are very close to a straight line. Moderate correlation. Points form a general trend but with some scatter. Weak correlation. Points are widely scattered, but a trend can still be observed. No correlation. No visible pattern. Statistically, this is often measured by the correlation coefficient R, which ranges from -1 to +1. When R is approximately equal to +1, strong positive correlation. When R is approximately -1, strong negative correlation. When R is approximately 0, no linear association. Steps to construct a scatter plot. Collect paired data XY. Draw axes and label them clearly. Plot each pair of values as a point. Look for the overall pattern or trend. Estimate the strength and direction of the relationship. Real-world examples. In education, study time X versus test scores Y. Health, exercise hours X versus weight loss Y. Economics, income X versus expenditure Y. Business, advertising budget X versus sales revenue Y. Key takeaways. Scatter plots are powerful tools for visualizing data relationships. They help identify whether two variables move together, positive correlation, move oppositely, negative correlation, or have no relationship. By estimating the strength of association, learners can interpret patterns, make predictions, and support decision-making in real-life context. Practice problems for quarter 4 Data and Probability Lesson Roman numeral number 11. Creating scatter plots and estimating the strength of variable associations. Plot scatter plots and estimate correlation strength in Excel or by hand. Each database can be entered in Excel, and then you need to click Insert Scatter, and then click Add Trend Line, and then click the Check Correlation. No, you don't. You have to check correlation visually and estimate whether the relationship is strong, moderate, weak, positive, negative, or none. For each X and Y column into Excel side by side for a dataset, use equal, correl, then range X, and then range Y, and then that is now our correlation coefficient R. So that's how to get it using Excel. Now, number 1, ours studies X versus test scores Y. So our X values are 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our Y values are 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So that is our problem number 1. And using correlation, the answer is 1. And the p-value is 0, the direction is positive, and the strength is very strong. So using Excel, that is what we call the scatter diagram. It goes upward. So next number. So you get the values of R by using Excel, coming up with the values of X and Y, and then use our formula, correl, then the range of X, then range of Y, and then that's it. That's how you can get it. So take note, we have here equals correl, and then open parenthesis range of X, and then range of Y, and then enter. You will then be getting the value of 1. Okay? So we will have the next part of our lesson Q4 DP lesson Roman numeral number 11.